Hi, before we get started with Teach Me Cricut Design Space on the iPad, let's first make a folder to store SVG files in. So I'm going to go down here and click on my files. And then you can see I already made one folder for my Teach Me Cricut Design Space information. If I pull down on the screen, it's going to open up that top bar. And if I hit this plus folder over here, I can use that for making a new folder. And I'm going to name this one SVG. So now when I download my SVGs, that's where I'm going to keep them. Inside Cricut Design Space, if I want to make another folder that's maybe images, then maybe one that is tips, and then that's all going to be stored on my iPad. So that's how you make different folders.